Hi, I'm Jason Wilk with Echo Incorporated, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install a YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, part number 90179Y, on this CS450P chainsaw. Before we get started, we just want to make sure we have safety glasses. We also have a piece of wire that we just formed into a shape of a hook so we can pull the fuel filter out of the fuel tank. We also have a 19mm spark plug wrench, and of course the 90179Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. Before we get started, we want to make sure the ignition switch is in the stop position, and we also want to go ahead and make sure our chain brake is in the on position. To gain access to the air filter and spark plug, we'll need to remove the air filter cover by loosening the air filter cover knob and then pulling off the cover. To replace the spark plug, we'll first disconnect the spark plug boot, and then using our 19mm spark plug wrench, we'll go ahead and unthread the spark plug in a counterclockwise direction from the engine. Once the spark plug is loose, we can use our fingers to unthread. To install the new spark plug, we'll take the one out of the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, and we'll just go ahead and thread it with our fingers initially into the engine to get the thread started. Then we can further tighten in a clockwise direction using our 19mm spark plug wrench. Then we'll go ahead and reinstall the spark plug boot. To replace the air filter, we'll unthread the air filter retainer counterclockwise, and then pull out the old filter. To install the new filter, we'll just go ahead and put that back into the air filter case, take the air filter retainer, and thread that back on in a clockwise direction until it's snug. Now that the new air filter and spark plug has been installed, we'll go ahead and reinstall the air filter cover and turning that air filter cover knob clockwise until it's tight. And then we'll go ahead and flip the saw on its side so we can gain access to the fuel filter, which is located inside the fuel tank. To access the fuel filter, we'll remove the fuel cap. Go ahead and pull the tether out of the tank. And then using a piece of wire, we'll go ahead and reach in, grab a hold of the fuel line, pull out the fuel filter. Do note there is a fuel line clamp on the end of this fuel line, so we want to make sure that we reinstall that onto the line with the new filter. So pull the old filter off, we'll just grab a hold of that line and that clamp. We'll disconnect the old filter, take new filter, slide it into place. Again, making sure that clamp stays on the fuel line. Now that our new fuel filter is attached to the fuel line and is clamped securely, we'll go ahead and push the fuel line back into the tank and then reinstall our fuel cap. This completes the installation of the 90179Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on the CS450P chainsaw. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune back for additional installation videos.